Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making roasted pheasants with a tomato mushroom medley on the Arteflame. So the first thing that we want to do is prepare the pheasant. So here's how we do that. We got a beautiful pheasant that we wet brine for 24 hours. Now we want to tie it up so it sits better on the rotisserie. Then we want to thread it and secure it on the rotisserie. Then we're going to smear it all over with some mayo that will work as a binder. Then we're going to season it lightly with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Bird Boost. Now we're going to let this sit while we're lighting up the Arteflame. We're going to fill up a chimney starter with charcoal. Then we're going to light it. When we can see the flames, dump the charcoal into the Arteflame. Next, we want to add a couple of sticks of pecan wood. Then it's time to place the pheasant on the rotisserie. Now the pheasant is on the rotisserie, so next it's time to prepare the Italian tomato and mushroom medley. We're going to trim a cauliflower head into small florets. We're going to add these and some white mushrooms into an aluminum pan. Then we want to add some small tomatoes as well. We're also going to add some herbs like rosemary or thyme. We need to drizzle this with extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to season it with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. Then we're going to place this into a cast iron pan. And then we're going to place the cast iron pan on the Arteflame. Now we're going to cook the veggies until they're cooked through and they got a nice char. We're also going to roast the pheasant until we get an inner temperature in the breast of 155 degrees. You want to make sure that you don't overcook pheasant because it's very lean and it will dry out very quickly. When the pheasant is ready, we want to remove it from the rotisserie. Then we're going to serve it together with the Italian tomato and mushroom medley. And that is how I make my roasted pheasant with an Italian tomato and mushroom medley on the Arteflame. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And it smells amazing, so here we go. Oh yeah. Really good smoke flavor, roasted to perfection. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.